Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Galaxy Station. Today in this What is this series video, I am going to talk about Samsung Auto Blocker. I know that the term is new to many of you because Samsung Auto Blocker is a security tool for Samsung Galaxy users that was introduced on October 31, 2023. In this video, I will explore what Auto Blocker is, what it does, why it matters, and whether you should consider uninstalling it. Samsung Auto Blocker is a opt-in package of additional security measures that give users more choice as they explore the customization enabled by Samsung Galaxy's open ecosystem. If enabled, Auto Blocker can protect your device from sideloading the app installation from an unauthorized source. Auto Blocker will also enforce app security checks, detecting potential malware and preventing harmful commands. It will also safeguard harmful installations over USB, especially important if you are using a public USB cable for charging. It is available on One UI 6, the latest version of Samsung's user interface, which was announced at the Samsung Developer Conference 2023. Auto Blocker comes as a part of One UI. Just search it in the settings. Users of compatible devices can activate the protection feature through settings, then go to security and privacy, then here it is, Auto Blocker. Turning Samsung's Auto Blocker on the devices with the toggle at the top of the page looks to enable all three of these features at the same time. Below is an advanced section with more tools that can be turned on or off individually, like Message Guard to protect users from zero-click attacks and malicious code in the direct messages. Some of the features of Samsung Auto Blockers are: it prevents app installations from unauthorized sources known as sideloading unless the user chooses to allow it. This can help protect users from social engineering attacks like voice phishing, where attackers could talk users into installing malicious software. Users can sideload as much as they want with the knowledge that it's not always entirely safe. The option will act as a prevention tool whenever apps are not being sideloaded intentionally. Then it turns on app security checks to help detect potential malware and prevent harmful commands and security installation by USB cable. This can help protect users in a situation where someone has physical access to their device, like when charging a phone at an airport. Unfortunately, this feature is not currently available on USA carrier models. Then it updates Message Guard, which mitigates zero-click attacks or direct image messages hiding malicious code. It now can help protect users using popular third-party apps such as WhatsApp, Telegram, or Facebook Messenger. This way, users can have greater choice over the apps they can use safely. Overall, Samsung Auto Blocker is part of Samsung Galaxy's expanded arsenal of security and privacy innovations like separated apps or secure folder. It aims to provide safer, more secure mobile experience for Galaxy users. If you want to learn more about Auto Blocker and other features of Samsung Knox Platform for Enterprise, visit the link I placed in this video's description. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.